So I finished one building in 1 point perspective. Now I'm going to make another building because I can't just have one building in my cityscape. I have to have multiple buildings. So I'm going to go through the same process again. I'm going to start off with a rectangle. I'm going to make my rectangle right here. Don't worry about which way you turn your paper. You can turn it however you need to, so that way you can draw your rectangle. Okay, so there is my second rectangle. Now I need to go through the process of lining up the 3 corners that are closest to my vanishing point again. So I'm going to start off. Let's see here. I'm going to draw from this corner to my vanishing point. Now, last time you said I couldn't draw through my building. I'm going to draw through my building. Remember, that was for when you're checking to see which points you're going to be using. Again, I don't want to draw through this building because I'm just going to have to erase it. But some of this building is going to overlap. So I'm going to draw slightly into the building. Not a lot, just a little. I could stop right at the building if I wanted to, but I think I might overlap them a little bit. I'm going to go up to the next line, or the next corner, line them up, and draw. I'm going to go to the next corner, line them up, and draw. Notice how carefully I'm lining things up, okay? So if I come in here and I look, I'm going from the corners, okay? I'm not going from here or from down here. I'm trying to be at the corners as much as I can, okay? That's gonna make it a lot easier when we're adding doors and windows if we have things that truly are from their corners, okay? So now I'm gonna add my vertical line that is parallel to the other vertical line. So again, I'm gonna line it up, and then I'm going to slide it towards the vanishing point. And you know what? I don't think I am going to overlap this building. I think there's going to be just some space between them. Now, I will draw between those 2 lines that I drew towards my vanishing point. Okay? So there's one set of parallel lines for this building. Now, my next set of parallel lines. Oops, and I'm seeing that this one does not quite come from my corner. So I need to erase. And I need to go back and I need to fix that. Okay, that's why you need to look at what you're doing and evaluate it as you're working. So, I'm going to line it up again. I'm going to line this up here. And we'll try it again. There we go. That's through the two. That's at the true corner. So now, I'm going to line my ruler up. And I'm going to slide it to where that last line I drew intersects with the other line, and I'll draw across. All right, so now I'm going to erase the extra parts of the lines that I don't need. This one is a smaller eraser. There is building number 2.